Lesson 12. Problem 29. Problem 29. Verify Stokes' theorem for the field f bar is equal to x minus y I bar minus yz square j bar minus y square z k bar over the upper half surface of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, bounded by its projection on the xy plane. Solution. We know Stokes' theorem. Integral over C bar dot dr bar integral over S curl f bar dot n bar ds. Given f bar is equal to 2x minus y I bar minus yz square j bar minus y square z k bar on xy plane z is equal to 0. F bar becomes 2x minus y into I bar z0 r bar xi bar plus yj bar, there is no zk bar, z0 dr bar dxi bar plus dy j bar f bar dot dr bar dot product I bar dot I bar 1. So 2x minus y dx. There is no j bar, we get only this one. So given surface x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 on xy plane, projection on xy plane. So on xy plane z is equal to 0. So x square plus y square is equal to 1 is a circle. Parametric equations. Here line integral, LHS line integral is single integral. Here two variables are there, xy. So we have to write xy values in terms of one variable, one parameter, that is theta. So parametric equations are x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta 1. Satisfied. Dx cos theta derivative minus sin theta d theta. Dy sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Complete circle. Now f bar dot dr bar value in terms of theta. Actual value 2x minus y dx. To x value cos theta minus y value sin theta dx minus sin theta d theta minus sin theta d theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus into minus plus sin square theta d theta 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin square theta d theta LHS integral over C f bar dot dr bar integral 0 to 2 pi minus sin 2 theta plus sin square theta d theta integral 0 to 2 pi common minus here sin 2 theta d theta plus integral 0 to 2 pi sin square theta d theta is equal to integral sin minus cos minus and minus plus minus cos 2 theta by 2 0 to 2 pi. N is 2 even number, use values formula 2 into 0 to pi, again 2 into 0 to pi by 2 using intermediate formula cos 4 pi minus cos 0 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit 4 into use values formula n minus 1 by n already given to you, so 2 minus 1 1 by 2, whenever 1 by 2 is there you write pi by 2 1 minus 1 by 2 pi 0 plus pi is equal to pi. This is your LHS value. For getting RHS value, first you find curl F bar, del cross F bar, determine first row I bar, J bar, K bar, second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, third row I bar, J bar, K bar coefficients of F bar. So 2x minus y 0 0. Expanding I bar into deleting this row column 0 minus 0 minus J bar into deleting this row and column 0 0 plus K bar deleting this row and column 0 dou by dou y of this one x derivative with respect to y 0 constant derivative 0 minus y derivative minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1 we get K bar. In xy plane n bar is equal to K bar ds equal to dx dy. Curl F bar dot n bar is K bar dot K bar 1. RHS K bar curl F bar dot n bar 1 integral double integral dy dx means area of the circle pi into pi r square. Actually in the circle equation is x square plus y square equal to 1 square, r is 1, so pi r square pi into 1 square pi. LHS is equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is verified. Stokes theorem is verified. Problem 30. Verify Stokes theorem for a vector field defined by f bar is equal to minus y cube I bar plus x cube j bar in the region x square plus y square less than or equal to 1, z is equal to 0. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over S curl F bar dot n bar ds given f bar is equal to minus y cube I bar plus x cube j bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Z is equal to 0 given. Dr bar is equal to dxi bar plus dyj bar. F bar dot dr bar dot product I bar coefficients I bar dot I bar 1. So minus y cube I bar plus x cube j bar dot dx I bar plus dy j bar. So I bar dot I bar 1. So minus y cube dx plus x cube dy given region x square plus y square less than or equal to 1 must consider is equal to 1 is a circle. Parametric equations are x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta, dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta, dy is equal to sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Complete circle. LHS include over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi f bar dot dr bar in terms of theta minus y cube means sin cube theta dx minus sin theta d theta. Next plus x cube is cos cube theta into dy cos theta d theta is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi sin to the power of 4 theta d theta plus integral 0 to 2 pi cos to the power of 4 theta d theta. Use Wallis formula n minus 1 by n 4 minus 1 3 by 4 decrease by 2 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Similarly, here also 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 3 pi by 16 plus 3 pi by 16 6 pi by 16 3 pi by 8. So 0 to 2 pi can be written as 2 into 2 into 0 to pi, again 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 like this. Using 2 into 2 4 into using Wallis formula here 4 into 6 pi by 16 4 into 3 pi by 8 4 cancel 3 pi by 8 3 pi by 2. This is your LHS value. For getting RHS value, first we have to find curl f bar, del cross f bar, determined first row I bar, j bar, k bar, second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, third row minus y cube, x cube 0. So expanding I bar into deleting this row and column, dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of x cube 0, 0 minus 0, minus j bar into deleting this one we get 0 minus 0, plus k bar into deleting this row and column, dou by dou x of x cube 3x square minus dou by dou y of minus y cube minus 3y square, minus and minus plus 3y square. So common 3 into x square plus y square into k bar. In xy plane z is equal to 0 already given, n bar is equal to k bar, ds is equal to dx dy. RHS into over s curl f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral 3 into x square plus y square k bar dot k bar dx dy. K bar dot k bar is 1. So common 3 double integral x square plus y square dx dy. Using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. R limits are 0 to, what is your radius of the circle? 1. 0 to 1. Theta limits are, theta is equal to 0 to, theta is equal to complete circle 2 pi. Therefore, RHS is equal to into over s curl f bar dot n bar ds is equal to 3 into 0 to 2 pi to 0 to 1 r square r dr d theta. 3 into 0 to 2 pi d theta integral 0 to 1 r cube dr 3 into d theta 0 to 2 pi r power 4 by 4 r cube integration 0 to 1 3 into 2 pi minus 0 2 pi into 1 by 4. So 3 pi by 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is verified. Problem 31. Verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to y minus z plus 2i bar plus yz plus 4j bar minus xz k bar, where s is the surface of the cube, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to above the xy plane, above the xy plane, in the xy plane, on the xy plane, different from above the xy plane. Here cube is given. Solution. We know Stokes theorem. Integral over C f bar dot dr bar equal to integral over S curl f bar dot n bar ds. given f bar is equal to y minus z plus 2 I bar plus yz plus 4 j bar minus xz k bar r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So this is diagram of the cube. So O A B C L M N P. So O coordinates 0 0 A, x axis there 2 0 x2. This is xy 2 2 y 0 2. Now observe carefully. Here closed curve above xy plane means we get closed curve OALBO. OALBO. This is our closed curve above xy plane. So we have to calculate 4 line integrals along OA, line integral along AL, line integral along LB, line integral along BO. 4 line integral. That is our LHS value. Above the xy plane. Above the xy plane, what is closed curve? OALBO is a closed curve. See, this closed curve lies on xy plane. Observe carefully. This is lies on xy plane. So, on this path lies on xy plane. That's why z is equal to 0. Now your f bar becomes r bar becomes dr bar f bar dot dr bar y plus 2 dx plus 4 dy. For convenient, you write your closed curve OALBO like this. Line integral along OA. Here y coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, y coordinate same. Y is equal to 0, dy is equal to 0. X varies from 0 to 2. Now f bar dot dr bar value, actual value this one, dy 0, y 0. So we get 2 dx. I1 is equal to integral OA f bar dot dr bar 0 to 2 dx. 2 into upper limit minus lower limit, we get 4. Line integral along AL. Along AL, x is equal to 2. Dx is equal to derivative 0. Y varies from 0 to 2. Y varies from 0 to 2. Now your f bar dot dr bar already function is there. So dx 0. This is 0. 4 dy. 4 dy. I2 is equal to integral over AL f bar dot dr bar is equal to 0 to 2 4 dy. 4 integral dy is y. 0 to 2 4 into 2 minus 0 8. 8. Line integral along LB. Along LB. Here y is equal to 2 fixed here. X varies from 2 to 0. Y is equal to 2. Dy is equal to 0. X varies from 2 to 0. Your f bar dot dr bar value dy 0, dy 0, y2 2 plus 2 4 dx. I3 is equal to integral over LB F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 2 to 0 4 dx. 4 integral dx is x. 2 to 0. 4 into 0 minus 2 minus 8. Line integral along BO x is equal to 0, y varies from 2 to 0. X is equal to 0, dx is equal to 0, y varies from 2 to 0. Here f bar dot dr bar value dx 0, dx 0, so 4 dy I4 integral over BO f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 2 to 0 4 dy 4 integral dy y 2 to 0 4 into 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. LHS is equal to integral over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 is equal to I1 value 4, I2 value 8, I3 value minus 8, I4 value minus 8. So 8 cancel, minus 4. LHS value minus 4. For getting RHS value, first we have to calculate curl F bar. So we get minus yi bar, z minus 1 j bar minus k bar. Now you draw the diagram again. Here how many surfaces are there? 6 surfaces. S1, OALB, S2, PMCN, S3, OCNA, S4, PLBM, S5, OBMC, S6, PNAL. Here above XY plane, means how many surfaces are there? 5 surfaces are there. We have to calculate 5 surfaces values separately and adding we get RHS value. That is actual procedure. But adding 6 surfaces we get 0. So RHS is equal to over curl F bar dot n bar ds is equal to actually 5 surfaces. These are nothing but minus of integral S1 curl F bar dot n bar ds. Total 6 surfaces value 0. So 5 surfaces value is nothing but minus of surface S1. On S1 n bar is equal to minus k bar below xy plane. ds is dx dy. So minus in double integral y taking dot product minus and minus plus k bar dx dy minus double integral dx dy means area of square. Cube becomes in xy plane square minus a square 2 square minus 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So minus integral over S1 curl F bar dot n bar ds on S1 n bar is equal to minus k bar ds equal to dx dy. Like this we get area of square minus side square 2 square minus 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So Stokes theorem is verified.